Welcome everybody to another episode of Ski TV. We out here in the polar bear ride. So from the fog in the background, pretty sure everybody can see that it is crazy. Look at that. Look at that fog. But we're gonna ride. So it is actually really nice out in terms of temperature. It's probably in the low 70s. Water is cold. Your boy has his wetsuit on. I'm currently sweating, but I don't think I'm gonna regret my decision later. So we ride out here January 1st, 2023. Just wanna take this time to wish all of you guys a very, very happy and blessed new year of 2023. We're here. We are here, people. You hear the name being called, which means polar bear ride. Polar bear ride. Who leads this ride today?
Who leads this ride today?
Yeah.
Mia. Where's Mia?
Sleeping.
She's sleeping?
Yeah. She was out partying hard.
Then we don't have a leader.
I thought Araya was leading.
No, Araya's sleeping.
Oh, come on,
Andy!
girls.
You leading this ride today? Andy Hodges leading
Andy
the ride
Hodges.
today. Yeah,
Gotcha. Okay. You know what it is? Let's ride, baby. All right, people, listen. Before we head out, let me take a quick second here to tell you guys about what 2023 has in store for us here in the Florida Ski Rider crew. We got a lot of rides coming up this year. We got things like we always do here in Florida. We got stuff heading to Tennessee. The Keys are on again this year. We got a bunch of stuff. So head over to Florida Ski Riders on Facebook, Instagram. Check out the rides. Come join us. And let me tell you something. As a bonus, do not forget, Jude's World also's got rides coming up this year. Let me tell you, man, those never disappoint. So come join us. As you can see, people are getting antsy. People want to ride. You know, I don't know if, let me see here. If you guys can see the shore, you might be able to. It is foggy. So let's go. Let's go.
Are you ready? Born ready. 365? Like literally?
366 on the
Oh, I forgot about that.
hat.
We're going to do one of those. Ride 366. All right. We got folks in the Tantron. We got all kind of good people out here today. We got
Sir. Randy, for the people watching, explain what's going on.
You know, we're lost. We're lost at sea. Look. Guys, we can't see 10 to 15 feet in front of us, so we did the right thing. Obi brought us to Shepherd's. We're gonna hang out here at Shepherd's for a little bit. Hopefully the fog lifts.
I think it will.
If the fog don't lift,
Everybody on their own. No, we're kidding.
no, everybody stay together. We go back to HQ.
We're gonna hope that the fog lifts in a little bit. And listen, where is the final destination? Where are we trying to head?
We're gonna go to John's Pass.
John's Pass.
But that's a long ride.
16
on the Gulf,
miles from here.
Yeah, on the Gulf with 10-foot visibility.
That's right.
So we're doing the right thing, and
Yeah.
we're hanging out at Shepherd's. We're here, everybody's together. 22 skis.
22 skis. And the plan is to bring how many back?
22.
22. All right, let's see what happens. All right, people, we're ready to go. Thank you, Shepherds, for holding it down. The fog absolutely did not get any better. So we're just gonna keep riding. We're gonna head out. We got 19 skis left. I'm gonna hang out by the back, make sure everybody's good. And we're out, bro. Let's go. So this actually is not the end of my ride. My boy George got stuck out there. His ski is down for the count. So everybody's pretty much up on the trailer, and gotta go help my boy. So, you know, adventure continues, man. Let's go get him. Always an adventure, baby. What are you gonna do? It is what it is. Well, ride together, baby. Always.